What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today this is just going to be a quick introduction to the channel for the Dewalt 12V Xtreme 1/2" impact wrench. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It is the 901 Bravo, plus the Dewalt stuff at the beginning. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today is June 2nd, 2021. I picked this guy up. This guy is Bare Tool. It is the Delta Charlie Foxtrot 901 Bravo. This is the 1/2" impact wrench, 12V Xtreme subcompact series model that Dewalt came out with recently. About in the last couple months, 1 or 2 months, something like that, maybe a little more. This is just an introduction video. Wanted to, show you guys the tool's already out the box. That is the 3/8 model sitting over here, because it's got the auto modes. I wished it's got the auto mode and the high and the low. I wish they would have provided the high and the low and the auto mode on the 1/2", to be honest. I mean, it would not have taken that much to have given us a little bit extra. Come on, Dewalt. You guys, you kind of need to step it up. I mean, you provided, you don't have a 1/4" model. You only have a 3/8, and this 3/8 has a high and a low and an auto and a function switch. I'm not really sure why you couldn't have just provided the high and the low and the auto switch on the 1/2" model. Nothing. For $150 bare tool, that's what this guy cost. $150 bare tool. You would think that it would have came with an auto selector. And the reason I'm saying that is because this is $99 for a 2 amp hour kit. This 3/8, $99 most of the time. You get 2 of these 2 amp hours, bag, charger. $99. That's a significant jump for losing, some auto features. I'm not really sure why they decided to do that. Auto, low, high. You can hear on auto, it ramps up. Low, high. That's forward. Auto, forward, low, high. If you switch it to reverse, auto, low. Low sounds a lot higher. It's not as slow in reverse. High. Low and high sound the same, to be honest, in reverse, but in forward they don't. But it's not about that tool, to be honest, even though I was messing with it. Kind of got distracted and squirrel. So, this is a pretty hefty tool. I do like the rubber molding. I do kind of like that they put this rubber molding on the front, kind of hid the rest of the LED board on this guy, because there's only 3 LEDs on this guy. See the 3 that light up, but you can see the rest of the board. I don't know, I like seeing the rest of the board. Kind of looks neat, but I also kind of like this look, so that's a nice little change. It's nice and smooth. All you see is the LEDs, and that's it. I like it. 1/2" impact wrench. 0 to 2,850 RPMs a minute. 0 to 3,250 impacts per minute. Also, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. If you guys want to see tools like this and that Metabo kit over there, just smush the bell notification icon. So there's the little amount of information that's on the box: max fastening torque and forward, which would be fastening torque. If you guys don't know, I'm sure somebody may not understand it. So 250 foot-pounds, 338 newton meters. Max breakaway torque, which would be reverse, 400 foot-pounds, which it doesn't meet that. I'll leave a card up here for the torque test channel. You guys go check out his video. He put this up against the 1/2-inch Milwaukee Stubby, and the Dewalt actually makes more torque than the 1/2-inch Stubby. Did not meet its 400 foot-pound rating, but it did pretty well, in my opinion. 0 to 2,850 RPMs, 1/2-inch drive size, 13 millimeter square. Impacts per minute, 0 to 3,250 impacts per minute, or IPM. It's on the tool. If you want to look at that information, is also on here. 5.2 inches, which we measured in another video that you guys will get to see. It's pretty close to that, 132 millimeters. 2.2 pounds, Bayer tool. Yeah, it's pretty close to that as well. It is a little heavy, in my opinion, for the, how small of a tool this is. It is well balanced with a 5. It's about 3.5 pounds with this 5, though. I don't remember exactly. It might be 3 pounds, 14.2 ounces, something like that. I know it's pretty heavy, but it's a nice tool. This is just a quick video to show you guys and introduce it to the channel so you guys can see it. Let me plug the light back in. It just died. There you go. So just wanted to show you guys, give you guys some little video that I can put out in the next couple days to introduce it to the channel, so you guys will know it will be coming into future videos. Please, as always, like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools. I'll put the 3/8 right next to it real quick. There you go. It's definitely significant size difference. Also, I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, people that watch, people that like, dislike, comment, use the affiliate links and everything else. You guys are what makes this possible. Thank you guys for watching, as well as the people that watch the commercials on the channel. It all helps a ton that you guys do that, because now the channel's paying for tools like this. The channel paid for this tool. It also paid for this green Metabo kit sitting here. Right there. Boom. I just want to say thank you. I very much appreciate it. It is awesome that I can pick up tools with the money from the channel, as well as it's got lots of tools coming to the channel. So if you guys want to see things, you guys might want to smush the bell notification icon if you guys want to see lots of new things coming to the channel, because the channel's now paying for tools. It's also paying for wood. It's paying for spade bits, or spattle bits, as some people say, hole saws, Forstner bits, speed bore bits, drill bits, and everything else. We're going to be doing testing. We're going to be doing, you know, hammer drills, head-to-head against other hammer drills. We're going to do impact drivers, head-to-head against other impact driver brands as well. Impact wrenches against impact wrenches. We're going to be using lags, screws, and all kinds of things to put these things in. So the channel's now buying wood. I need to get 2 Sheetmaster jaw horses for the channel, as well as because I need them. but it's gonna hold down the wood when we do the wood testing with the tools. So that might be something you want to stick around for. We got Metabo HPT 18 volt 36 volt tools. We got Metabo 12 volt 18 volt 36 volt X2 tools, as well as we have Metabo's or Makita's 40 volt and 80 volt coming in. I'm sorry. We have regular Metabo tools. We have Bosch Core 18 volt core line of tools. We got Dewalt 8 volt 12 volt Xtreme. We got 20 volt, 60 volt, and 120 volt flex volt tools. We got Milwaukee M12, M18. We got Earthquake tools from Harbor Freight, the Earthquake 20 volt line, as well as we do have. I do have the Earthquake air impacts as well. A lot of air tools from the Earthquake line. So if any of those things interest you guys, please stick around, check out the video, and smush the bell notification icons for future updates on upcoming videos. If any of those things sound awesome to you guys, just hit the bell notification icon. And hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And thank you guys so much for stopping by. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!